Hello everyone, Shreya this side. Welcome back to my channel. So I have created a newly wedded look. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly I have applied a moisturizer. And then I am applying Pond's BB cream. I am not using foundation or concealer. And for removing extra cream and for a perfect base, I am using a damp beauty blender. And now I am filling my eyebrows with the help of small brush, and I am filling my brows with my Swiss Beauty palette with dark brown shade. Person who loves doing eyebrows like a perfect brows. So for perfect brows I'm using a spoolie to get that perfect finish. And now it's time for contour, as I have a round face, so I majorly need this. And blending it with the same brush. It's time to apply some blush. Please guys, don't skip this part. It's the best part and it will enhance your face. Like see. So I'm applying a blush with my favorite lipstick, and I will link it down in the description box, everything which is used in this video. I don't want to use eyeliner, so I skipped that and I used my black eyeshadow with the same brush which I used for my eyebrows and creating a liner and smudge it out, and it looks really nice. And now I'm applying highlighter on my high points, which really enhanced my look really well. And now I'm applying my favorite lipsticks, which has 5 shades in one lipstick, which is really good, and all 5 shades are awesome. Like you can see the red, how beautiful it is. So trust me, if you are looking for a good lipstick, you can go for it. And now I am giving a final touch for my newly wedded look, and now it's look perfect. So if you are a newly wedded girl, you can go for this look. How beautiful it is. If you want more videos like this, or you have a special request, please DM me on my Instagram if you are my Instagram, or you can directly comment on my video. I will definitely make a video for you. And thank you so much guys. We'll see you in the next video.